welcome back to Bosswala English channel. Today we will be dwelling into a great video, and trust me over this will be your life-changing video because we will be unlocking 5 simple yet powerful business ideas that every woman can have in their life. And if they want to become financially independent, then this video is for you. If you are that woman who want to be a financially independent woman in her life, then this video is for you. So whether you are a homemaker, a student or any professional, these ideas can help you earn money, build your confidence and live your life on your terms. So stick around till the end and I will share mindset business idea secrets that will help you grow from a rented house to crores of business. Let's start with the simplest idea. Teaching. If you are good at subject, math, science, languages, even hobbies like painting or music, you can monetize it. Tutor kids in your locality. Host online classes. Create courses on platforms like Udemy. Trust me, many parents are all okay to pay 500 to 2000 per student. And trust me guys over this, if you can start small and dream big, this can be your reality. This can scale into a coaching center or a YouTube channel. And let me give you one pro tip as well. Specialized offers such as board exam crash courses will be a game changer in this kind of business. Or maybe the board can say spoken English for professionals, and this will make you stand out. At number 2, we have homemade food business, where you can turn your kitchen into a gold mine. Love cooking? Then your kitchen can be your empire. Sell homemade pickles, papads, baked goods, or start a tiffin service. With apps like Zomato, Home Chef or Instagram, you can reach customers easily. And let me give you a real example for this business. I have many known people in my family who have started this kind of business from scratch. They have opened a cloud kitchen kind of format, but they are earning good. Other than these 5 tips, I have one more secret, and that is a magical app where you can start your own business. You can talk to the experts, you can have their suggestions, you can have their guidelines, you can have their feedback on any of your questions, on any of your doubts, and that is Bosswala. Bosswala is an app which you can download in your phone, and you can directly chat or do video calls with the experts of any business. It is as simple as that. If you have any idea in your mind now that you want to start this kind of business, then you can find that business on Bosswala because they have 500 plus courses. They have a limited time period offer for just 999 for the whole year, for the whole access. You can access any of the course in that small amount. So to download the app, you can check my channel profile and description. Come on, let's move ahead. And we were talking about the third business idea, which is handicrafts and local arts. We all know that every region has a hidden gem. We have heard of Lucknowi chicken curry. We have heard of Rajasthan's pottery. We have heard of Assam's silk. So if you have the similar thing in your state or in your region, you can also sell them and become a business or an entrepreneur. You just have to partner up with some local artisans. Okay, sell their products online via Meesho or Instagram, and you can easily make money from a charge of 20 to 30% margin. That is it. You just have to deal, you just have to make money from the margin part. It is not necessary that you have to open your own store. It is not necessary that you have to sell the products directly to the customers. You just have to partner up with some local artisans and earn money on the basis of the margins. And you know what could be a key move in this? You can do a storytelling, share artisans' interviews on social media, and customers love like behind the scene authenticity, because customers do love all these things only if they know that you have gone through such process while doing so. They love creativity, they love the entertainment part, they love the social media part, and you can have that thing in your business as well. Okay, let's move on to the next business idea, which is fashion and jewelry business. And I know we all are aware of this thing that this is an evergreen market. The trend doesn't go anywhere. The sense for fashion doesn't go anywhere. People are actually getting more and more fond of all these things. So the saying is correct that fashion never goes out of trend. If you can stitch, design or curate trendy jewelry, custom blouses, sari draping services or Instagram boutiques, everything works in this digital era. And the pro tips comes when the wedding season is on. You can actually earn from 2000 to 5000 per piece. And you can also give customers some offers, some discounts while the festive season is on. And you know what is the tech hack in this? You can use different digital platforms to create some professional looks. There is no need to have extra cost for shoots, for photographs and everything. Just use Canva, make a beautiful picture out of it, and you can go ahead with the business. The next business idea that a woman can do is solve your local problems first. You know what is the most important part while kickstarting a business? That is solving the local problems first. Even if you are starting a business or you are running a business, doesn't matter. The first main point that should hit in your mind is that your product should be, your services should be able to solve the local problems first. And this can again be a business opportunity for many of us. Like, you just have to look around. What does your community lack? Elderly care services, some organic veggies, pet grooming, or babysitting. You know, these kind of ideas, these kind of businesses, even if you start today, there is no need to have a great investment. There is no need to have big money. But you can start with the smaller amount of things, the basic things, and you can earn a lot of money in that. And trust me, this kind of business usually happens in a very posh locality, at a very good society, because where people are ready to pay a good amount for these kind of services. You can make a list of the local pain points, you can validate demands via surveys and launch a solution for that, because all these things will be loved and will be appreciated by the local people, and you can earn a good amount of money while doing these kind of services. But, do you know what is the real game changer in this? The mindset. Started with the rented room and now saying that she'll quit. You know, being a woman is not easy in Indian society. We tend to hear all these things that why a woman should go out, why she's required to do business, why it is always necessary for women to have money. So guys, it is. We are into an Indian society which demands a working woman, and we want to be that independent working woman. So just remember these 4 takeaways: risk taking, courage, financial discipline, and patience. These 4 characteristics you should have, these 4 adjectives you should have, and these 4 things you should always carry with you. And also, for these business ideas which I've told you right now, age is just a number. Don't be into this illusion that I am this much old or I am this much younger, I cannot start all these things. No, you can start anything at any age. So, love the ideas? Pick one and start today. And also, don't forget to comment down who all have started these businesses in their life. Guys, if you need any help from my end, just comment me and I will be there to solve your problems. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends. And I will see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.